everyone. So here is StreamLabs app, which recently is climbing in the top charts in social media category in the US App Store. So let's just have a quick look for a start how to create an account and how to get started. I'll probably can create another video overview of the full functionality of this app. So the idea is that you can do live streams better and broadcast live from anywhere, stream your games on your camera, and then you can stream to multiple sources like YouTube, Twitch, Facebook video, personalize with themes, sync with your widgets, customize your streams and all of that. And that is just from your mobile phone. So you don't need like some heavy desktop software on your laptop, carrying your laptop with you. You can just stream from your mobile and it's super cool. Stream to platforms like TikTok, Lula, Trovo, Nemo, and more. One app, infinite destinations. Stream games, stream your camera, personalize your stream, all your widgets. Simply select the widgets you'd like to include in your mobile stream and we will do the rest. So available widgets include alert box, chat box, event list, donation ticket, the jar, donation goal, and many more to come. So that's the idea. Then you can just tap get and then use Touch ID to install. So that's that. And then you can just open StreamLabs. So these are the ways to sign up here. So Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, custom RTMP, TikTok, or something else. So let's try to do it with TikTok. Okay. Maybe it's just easier to do it with Facebook. Let's reload the app. So let's try Facebook. And then I just need to log in here with my my Facebook account. Then you just enter the details and proceed. So that's how you create an account.